In the previous lesson, we saw that it works against all websites where the user clicks any URL, enters any URL, and it will redirect to our Kali Linux login web page to key in the password. However, for the Gmail and Facebook, it doesn't work. The reason why it doesn't work is because Gmail and Facebook uses a protocol called HSTS, and HSTS requires SSL in order to work. So over here in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to enable SSL. So what you need to do is to download these two files. I'll show you. Download these two files, this and this, and these two files you copy and put them in this folder. This folder over here, other location, computer, etc, Apache 2, and then over here there is a ports file. So you need to overwrite this file with your file over here. So before you overwrite, you can make a copy if you want. That means you can right click, copy, and then right click, paste, and then it will make a copy of this file. After you made a copy, you can just delete this one, and then after that copy the one we download here. You can download all this from my resource section for this video lesson. Right click, copy, and then overwrite the one here, right click, paste. So this file, right click, open your text editor. This one maybe says listen to port 80 and port 443. Port 80 is the normal web HTTP, and port 443 is SSL port, also known as HTTPS. So it's telling the Apache web server to listen to these two ports. Close this. Next, you go to this website, size enable. You notice that size enable contains this shortcut or link. There's the icon here which shows that it is a link. The actual file is over here. This is the file being linked to, size enable. So as before, you also make a copy of this before you copy this version here. So right click, copy, and then right click, paste, and then you have a copy. Now you can delete this one. Just move to trash, and then take this copy here. Right click, copy. This one as you have downloaded from my resource section for this course, and right click, paste here. Now let's take a look at this. This is the configuration file for the Apache server. So you can right click, open it, and see the settings. The important setting is over here. If there are any error, redirect to the main web page of the web server. So the main web page for web server is index.php. So it only happens if you have any error whatsoever. And then the root of the Apache web server is this location, var www html, where you put all your HTML pages. And then here is another section. You enable SSL. This is how you enable it. And then it is important to specify the location of your SSL cert and SSL key. So this is the location of the cert PM and cert key, and I will show you how to generate these two certs. For now, make sure that you have this folder, and we'll be creating this folder soon. So, and then after that, you have to create a rewrite. That means enable Apache to rewrite the URL to strip away all the www. So, and this is all we need for this folder, for this file. So let's close this now, and we have already copied over. So the next thing to do is to create our certificate SSL. So you can download this file as well from this resource section. Double click this to take a look and see what's inside. Now you need to use this command to generate the SSL certs. So right click this, copy, and then open any terminal, expand it, right click, paste, and you will see here you will generate these two certs and put it in this location, certs. So before you can run this command, let's right click and split this into two. You need to make a folder called certs. So you are in this location, so your home folder now, and make a directory. Make sure you're in the correct folder. pwd will show you are in root directory. Now you need to create a folder called certs, which I already done. Now let's say I don't have this folder, so the command to create a new directory is called mkdir certs. And then when you press enter, it will create this folder. If I try to do it, it says cannot because I already created it. So for you, you should do this command to create this folder. So this is the folder which will store our certs. So let's come back to the top window. So now it will generate two certs. One is the key, cert PM is the key. The other is cert key itself. So let's press enter. Then it will ask you to enter a password. Just type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Enter. Type your password again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Enter. And country name, just type any country name you like. State, just type any state you want. City, anything you like. Company, just type my company. Just type my. And then organization unit, maybe you type OU or my. It can be anything you like. Next is common name for server from the company, so my server. And then email address, just type my@gmail.com. That's it. So if you go to your certs folder now, you should be able to see your certs. Let's take a look. Go to home, go to certs, and you will see your certs are created already. Next thing to do is to enable the certs. So let's head back to our text file for this. So to enable certs, you need to run these two commands here. This is to enable the Apache modules called rewrite and also SSL. So the first one is this. So just copy this line and then paste it here. I will clear the screen first. Paste it here. Okay, so the command is a2nmod rewrite. Press enter. And then second command is, okay, let's correct this. It should be a2. Second command is a2nmod SSL. So copy this one and right click here, paste a2nmod SSL. Okay, so it is done. And then sometimes it may prompt you to run the third command. So if it does, you just go ahead and run this third command. Okay, so now we are ready. So that's it for enabling SSL. And we can test now if you want. You can just type service. Let's clear the screen first. Service Apache 2 start, enter, and wait for it to prompt the password. So you have to enter the password. key in 1 2 3 4 5 6, the password which you set earlier, enter, and now you type that and take a look. Yes, so you will see port 443 and it's already up. That means it's running your SSL. So if you open your Firefox, you should be able to go to HTTPS and is it without any error. Okay, anyway, we'll do it. Let's see, HTTPS. Now normally your local host will be simply localhost without HTTPS, and then you can type HTTPS in front now. Type L in front here and see. Alright, it's working. See that? HTTPS in front? Right. Now this connection is normal because we are generating the SSL cert ourselves instead of relying on some kind of public authority. So it's okay, no problem. This is not an error, and users will not see this when they come. It's only ourselves will see this. So if we can see this, that means it's okay, it's working. So okay, that's all for this lesson. In the next lesson, we'll continue with this access point. Thank you very much.